Your competitors are already using this. Time-consuming social media tasks are no longer a hindrance. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to automate your social media scheduling using Buffer's AI. Get ready to maximize your efficiency and always be a step ahead. Buffer's AI has revolutionized how businesses manage their social media. Companies using it have seen a 40% increase in their social media engagement. For example, take a look at Brand X. Before using Buffer's AI, they were juggling with countless posts and struggling to keep up. Now, their social media platforms are buzzing with activity and their engagement rate has skyrocketed. But let's talk about you. You're probably overwhelmed with the sheer volume of content to schedule, platforms to manage, and the constant need to be on top of your game. You know that consistency is key in the social media world, but it's hard to maintain when you're manually scheduling posts. And of course, there's the nagging worry about posting at the wrong time, missing optimal engagement hours, or worse, forgetting to post altogether. But here's your solution: automating your social media scheduling with Buffer's AI. Step 1. Sign up for Buffer and connect your social media accounts. Step 2. Create your posts and simply add them to your Buffer queue. Step 3. Let Buffer's AI take over. It will schedule your posts for the best times to increase engagement based on your audience's activity. It's that simple. No more guesswork, no burning the midnight oil. You set it up, Buffer's AI does the rest. Plus, Buffer's AI isn't just about scheduling. It gives you performance analytics, making it easy to see how your content is performing across different platforms. So you can make data-driven decisions, tweak your content strategy, and keep growing that engagement rate. Now, you're not just keeping up with your competitors, you're setting the pace. Time-consuming social media tasks are now a thing of the past. You're not just saving time, you're using it more productively. Buffer's AI is the tool to transform your social media game. Do this today. Sign up for Buffer and start automating your social media scheduling. The only thing you'll regret is not starting sooner. And stay tuned, because next, we'll be looking at more AI-powered tools to further streamline your digital marketing efforts. Until then, keep innovating, keep automating, and keep winning the social media game.